Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our title of the project is a review of machine learning methodologies for network intrusion detection. Now we are going to see the abstract of our project. So the main aim of our project is to detecting the intrusion that are presented in the online. Intrusion means it is like a malicious attack, something we got in a network. So in this file we are using a KDD Cup 99 dataset is used for detecting the intrusion. So the data to survey and evaluate research of intrusion detection system by identifying attack or normal and future selection method like map and reduce for evolutionary future selection to reduce the complexity of this dataset. So in this project we are using a classification step. In this classification we are using random forest classification algorithm. It is used for increasing the accuracy of classification result by classifying the normal and then attacks. So now we are going to see the flow of the project. So in this, first we have to start the process and load the dataset, and then we have to pre-process the dataset. In the pre-processing we are remove the unwanted data like null values, white space, and the noisy values, etc. So then we have to dataset future. In the dataset future we are doing two things. One is future extraction. We are selecting the extracted features from our existing dataset. So then after we extracted the data, then we move to the selection, future selection. So in this future selection we have to select the futures from the extracted data. After we show the futures, then we move to the classification. In this classification we are using random forest classification algorithm. It is used to classify the normal and attacked data, that is normal and abnormal data. So then we have to show the prediction. So in this prediction they predict the abnormal data, and then finally we have to generate the performance analysis report based on the accuracy of the classification of random forest algorithm. Now we are going to see the running process of the project. This is our project. This is intrusion. In this intrusion we have to choose index.java page. So right click and run file. So this is our main page. So in this page simply click this image, it go to the main page. So this is a page which you have to select the data set. So click select data set. So in this select this and open file. So this is the data available in our dataset. This is the dataset. This dataset is called KDD Cup 99 dataset. So next, after we go to the load dataset, here you check the connection successful. If it is successful means it, then only we have to load the data. So we have to load dataset. So dataset is loaded. Then view. So now we view the loaded data. So then next pre-processing. So in this pre-processing we have to remove the unwanted data like null values, white space, and noisy values. So the data is pre-processed successful. Then view the pre-processed data. So these are all the pre-processed data. Then we have to move to the future extraction. In this future extraction we to extract the future data which we want. So these are all the future data. Then we have to select the future from extracted data. So then we have to select the futures and view the selected futures. So in this we have to select 15 futures. So then we have to move to the very important concept called classification. So in this classification only we have to classify the normal and abnormal attacks. So in this classification we are using a random forest classification algorithm. So now it is calculated here, it is running. So now it is completed. The accuracy we get is 90%. So it takes time in 18 seconds. So this is the normal and this is the abnormal data. Then we have to move to the prediction. Take prediction. So this is the predicted attacks. So then finally we have to move to the result calculation. This result calculation we are showing a true positive, true negative, false positive, false negative, and the accuracy of this is 90% and the error rate is 10 and done in 18 seconds. So then we have to generate the chart. So this chart shows normal and abnormal function in intrusion detection result. So this is the final intrusion detection result. Our accuracy is 90%. Thank you for watching this video.